Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's IELTS picture description practice. In this lesson, we'll carefully observe the picture, understand the important details, and complete the fill-in-the-blank questions together. This exercise will help you improve your vocabulary, observation skills, and confidence for the IELTS exam. Let's get started. First, take a careful look at the picture. What can you see? This image shows the interior of a modern public library. The library is spacious, bright, and well organized. Large glass windows allow plenty of natural sunlight to enter the building. There are many bookshelves, study tables, comfortable chairs, and an information desk. Several people are reading books, studying, using laptops, or walking through the library. Now let's answer each fill-in-the-blank question one by one. Question 1. The picture shows the interior of a modern public blank. Let's think carefully. What place is shown in the picture? We can clearly see bookshelves, readers, study areas, and an information desk. So the correct answer is library. Repeat after me. Library. Question 2. Large windows on the left allow blank to enter the library. Look at the windows. They are made of glass and let bright daylight come inside. The correct answer is natural light or sunlight. Repeat, natural light. Question 3. People are blank activities such as reading, studying, and using computers. Look carefully at the people. Nobody is running or playing. They are reading books, studying, and working on laptops. The best answer is doing or performing. So the complete sentence becomes, people are doing activities such as reading, studying, and using computers. Question 4. A man is standing near the bookshelf while blank a book. Observe the person standing near the shelves. He appears to be looking at or choosing a book. The best answer is reading or selecting. So the sentence becomes, a man is standing near the bookshelf while reading a book. Question 5. There is an information blank on the right side of the picture. Look toward the right side. You can clearly see a counter where visitors can ask for help. The correct answer is desk. Repeat, information desk. Question 6. The signboard on the ceiling helps visitors find different blank. Look up at the hanging signs. They point to different parts of the library, such as fiction, non-fiction, children's section, study area, and restrooms. The answer is sections. Excellent. Question 7. The library has separate areas for blank and relaxation. Notice that some people are quietly studying while others are comfortably reading. The correct answer is studying. The full sentence is, the library has separate areas for studying and relaxation. Question 8. Overall, the library looks blank and well organized. Think about the overall appearance. Is it messy? No. It looks clean, bright, modern, and tidy. The best answer is modern. You could also use clean or spacious. Vocabulary review. Now let's learn some important IELTS vocabulary from this picture. Library, bookshelf, information desk, study area, fiction, non-fiction, natural light, comfortable chairs, reading, studying, laptop, visitors, organized, spacious, quiet, modern. Try to use these words whenever you describe a picture in your IELTS exam. Sample description. Now listen to a complete sample description. The picture shows the interior of a modern public library. Large glass windows allow natural light to brighten the room. Several people are reading books, studying, and using laptops in different sections of the library. There are bookshelves, study tables, comfortable chairs, and an information desk. Hanging signboards help visitors find different sections, such as fiction, non-fiction, and the children's area. Overall, the library appears clean, spacious, peaceful, and well organized. Final answers. Let's check all the answers together. 1. Library. 2. Natural light. 3. Doing. 4. Reading. 5. Desk. 6. Sections. 7. Studying. 8. Modern. Excellent work! Great job! If you answered most of the questions correctly, you're making good progress toward improving your IELTS English skills. Keep practicing picture descriptions every day because they help improve your vocabulary, grammar, observation skills, and speaking confidence. Don't forget to pause the video, read the picture again, and try describing it in your own words without looking at the answers. See you in the next IELTS practice lesson. Happy learning and good luck with your IELTS preparation.